Hello, welcome to Michikukja. These days it's getting warmer and warmer. I'm lacking in energy. So I will prepare the easiest recipe of samgyetang without ginseng, garlic, and ginger.
구독, 좋아요를 눌러주세요.
Koreans traditionally have samgyetang during the hottest days of summer as a way to keep up their energy. Shall we make a samgyetang? Wash the glutinous rice 3 times. Soak it for 1 hour and strain it. Cut off the tips of wings if you want. Remove the giblets from the hands from spoon. Remove any extra fat around the body with the kitchen scissors. Rinse under cold running water. Cut to make a hole under the leg of hen. Stuff each hen with 4 tablespoons glutinous rice, 3 juju. Put one leg into the hole, so make close hen's legs like this. Place the hens into a heavy pot. Add 3 liters of cold water, 2 onions, 2 large green onions, and herbal ingredient. Cover and cook over high heat for 20 minutes. After boiling, open up the pot. Cook over medium heat for 30 minutes without cover. Please remove impurities from time to time. Shred a cabbage with a mandolin. Oh, it's amazing! It's really good working. Rinse the cabbage and strain it. First, make the dipping sauce for kids. My niece slept over last night, so I'll make 2 sauces. 2 tablespoons chop sauce. Dive cabbage into the sauce and mix well. Next, make the dipping sauce for adults. Half a tablespoon garlic, 5 tablespoons chop sauce, 1 tablespoon red pepper powder, wasabi, and mix well. Add 2 tablespoons chop sauce. Put the cabbage on a plate. Add 5 tablespoons dipping sauce, 2 tablespoons chop sauce. Samgyetang is already boiled. Add the chicken and broth. Place each hen into 2 individual bowls. After boiling it over low heat for 20 minutes, please remove the ingredients. Oh, my daughter will even chew chicken bones. Mom is full just seeing what you eat. Next, chicken rice broth and the soup, all of them buttons up. Recommend for egukja. Sprinkle with chopped green onion and ground black pepper and salt. Serve with kimchi, the 2 kinds of dipping sauce. Thank you for visiting Michikukja. See you next time.